Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Selina and I release crochet videos every week. And this week I wanted to release a bonus video for a giveaway. So basically I reached 5,000 subscribers a few weeks ago. Actually now I think I'm over 6,000 subscribers, but I just wanted to do a giveaway to thank every single one of you for supporting me and subscribing and always leaving comments. It's so kind of you. So I thought I would do a giveaway just for you to celebrate. So the giveaway is to win the whole kit to crochet this Outlander shawl. So I've just released the video tutorial and free pattern for this gorgeous Outlander inspired shawl. I will link it here. And basically the kit that you can win will include 4 skeins of Stylecraft Special Aran in shade Sage, and the black skein also. Obviously you will have the whole kit, and a 6mm crochet hook by my favorite brand of crochets, which is Etimo, and these crochet hooks are handmade in Japan. So I just want to say this video is not sponsored by any brand, neither Stylecraft nor Etimo. This is just a giveaway I am doing myself on my channel to thank all of you lovely people for supporting me on my journey on YouTube. So yeah, so you can win the whole kit with the pattern obviously, but that's free anyway on my blog as always, to crochet this gorgeous shawl. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and that will automatically give you a number. I will then draw a number and you are in to win this shawl. So that's the only thing you need to do, is subscribe to my channel and then leave a comment. So I hope you enjoy this giveaway. Don't forget to share this video with everyone that you think might be interested. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will be linking that here. And yeah, check out the tutorial on how to crochet this gorgeous shawl. Good luck. Bye bye.